Spotting an abuser before it is too late. The topic of domestic violence once again in the spotlight now following the apparent murder-suicide of a couple in Orchard Park. A close friend tells 7 Eyewitness News there were red flags here, signaling trouble between Ruby Stiegelmeyer and David Lefchek. And the experts hope that this tragic tale will now help other people before it's too late. Here's 7 Eyewitness News reporter Jill Perkins.
Police had been to the Orchard Park home of 51-year-old Ruby Stiegelmeyer before. They say her boyfriend, 53-year-old David Lefchek, came there last December angry and stole, broke, and set fire to her property. This week, police were at the home again.
She was shot 3 times, and the male was shot once. He had a gunshot wound in the head.
Police say Lefchek killed Stiegelmeyer before taking his own life. He was set to appear in court next month on those December charges. A stay-away order of protection was issued against Lefchek, but later reduced to a refrain from order at the request of Stiegelmeyer. Lefchek was not breaking the law by being at her home. A friend of Ruby Stiegelmeyer told 7 Eyewitness News she was concerned for her friend's safety. The outcome, though tragic, is one domestic violence advocates hope can help others.
We need the public to understand that victims of domestic violence and abuse are traumatized.
Mary Travers Murphy is the executive director of the Family Justice Center, where a team of domestic violence advocates are ready to help victims every step of the way, from successfully obtaining a protective order to developing long-term safety plans.
The most dangerous time in an abusive relationship is when perpetrator gets wind of the fact victim is going to leave.
In the Orchard Park police report from December, Ruby Stiegelmeyer claimed Lefchek destroyed her iPhone, put water in her car's gas tank, set property on fire, among other offenses. She indicated it was her belief he was upset her ex-husband parked in her driveway. Travers Murphy encourages anyone who thinks they are or thinks they know someone who might be in an abusive relationship to reach out. Now, when it comes to identifying red flags, this is a danger assessment checklist. It's got about 20 questions on there to help identify the risk of an abusive relationship turning into a deadly one. You'll find this checklist on WKBW.com, as well as information on how you can get in touch with the Family Justice Center. Live in the newsroom, Jill Perkins, 7 Eyewitness News.